After the previous part, now I'm going to drill 4 6mm hole at both sides of the outlet. The hole is actually for the magnet to store in. Not only the 4 6mm hole, I also made a path for the wire, and also the hole for another magnet to connect each other. The larger 8mm hole is for an additional support. I found some leftover aluminum bar which is perfectly for the support. But however, the aluminum bar doesn't fit in the 8mm hole. After I smaller the diameter of the bar using the light, it fit very perfectly with the outlet. So I decided to cut it out. And this is the aluminum sub that gives additional support to the two outlets. So, it's time to build. These are all the items I need for my project. After the installation, this is how the soldering ventilation fans looks like. Unfortunately, I've made a mistake on the first board. The magnet was stored too deep inside and made no connection with the battery board. But no worry, everything works fine when I place a copper plate on top of the magnet, as you can see. I use this clamp to hold my fan, and when everything is set, let's try this out. Now, I'm going to solder a PCB board. The fan is working perfectly. All the gas release is being absorbed by the ventilation fan. When the soldering is complete, you just remove the clamp and put it to one side. And the fan, you just simply rotate it and remove it. Then the fan will stop eventually. And now, place the two boards together and stay for the next project. The soldering ventilation fan. Thanks for watching.